Hi everyone, in this example you have to show that limit sine x minus a divided by x minus a when x goes to a equals to 1 and limit tan x minus a divided by x minus a when x goes to a equals to 1. So firstly you have to make a substitution. Let y equals x minus a in both parts. Y equals x minus a. Then you will find that the limit is, or x equals y plus a, x equals y plus a. Now you have to rewrite the limit in terms of y. So our limit will be limit sine of y, because x minus a is y, divided by y. Now when x goes to a, then y goes to x minus a. So we have a minus a, which is 0. So y goes to 0. And limit sine of y divided by y when y goes to 0 equals to 1. With the same manner in part B, or in the second part, we have the limit of tan x minus a is y divided by x minus a y when y goes to 0, and limit tan of y divided by y equals to 1. In this example, you have to use the result in the previous example to solve these two questions. In part A, limit sine of x minus 5 divided by x squared minus 25 when x goes to 5 equals what? Firstly, you have to factor the denominator, because x squared minus 25 is a difference between two squares, and you can write it as x squared minus 5 squared, x plus 5 times x minus 5. So the limit will be limit of sine x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 when x goes to 5. Next, you can separate this quantity and you can write limit sine x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 when x goes to 5 multiplied by limit 1 over x plus 5 when x goes to 5. After that, we have limit x minus a divided by x minus a when x goes to a equals to 1. So the first limit is equals to 1, and the second limit you have to use the direct substitution, and you will get 1 over 5 plus 5. This gives us 1 over 10. For the second part, we have limit tan x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2 when x goes to negative 2. By direct substitution, you will get 0 over 0. So you have to factor the denominator. In denominator, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. You have to find two numbers, multiply of them 2, and sum of them equals to 3. And these two numbers are 1 and 2. So the factorization of this quadratic equation is x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Now we have limit tan x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 when x goes to negative 2. Now you can split the limit, so we can write it as limit tan of x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times limit 1 over x plus 1 when x goes to negative 2. Now you have to use this rule, but before use it you have to write tan x minus negative 2 divided by x minus negative 2 when x goes to negative 2. And for the second limit you have to use the direct substitution, so we have 1 over minus 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. So we have the first one, use this rule, you will get 1 multiplied by negative 1, and the answer will be negative 1. And that's it. Thank you.